Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use RCM Moringa face scrub. First, begin with a freshly cleansed face. Make sure your skin is damp, but not dripping wet, as this helps the scrub spread evenly and work effectively. Take just a small, pea-sized amount of the scrub onto your fingertips. This is usually enough for your entire face, preventing overuse and ensuring gentle exfoliation. Now, gently apply the scrub to your face using light, upward circular motions. Concentrate on areas that might need more attention, such as your nose, forehead, and chin, for about 30 seconds. Remember to be very gentle. There's no need to press hard. Always avoid the sensitive skin around your eyes and lips to prevent irritation, keeping the scrub focused on your main facial areas. After exfoliating, rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water. Make sure all traces of the scrub are completely removed from your skin. Then, gently pat your face dry with a clean, soft towel. Avoid rubbing, as this can irritate freshly exfoliated skin. Finish by applying your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration and soothe your skin, leaving it feeling soft and refreshed. For best results, incorporate the RCM Moringa face scrub into your routine 2 to 3 times per week. Consistent use helps remove dead skin cells, promoting a smoother, brighter complexion and allowing other skincare products to absorb better. This simple step can significantly enhance your skin's natural radiance. Also, for a fresh car scent, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your refreshed skin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.